children, the next topic is reminder. What is the reminder and what is the concept of reminder? So children, we have practiced a lot of problems on the division and we have stopped the division until we get 0. So here the 0 is called reminder. So what is reminder in the division? So children, let us see an example to understand the concept of reminder. So children, so for example, so there are 9 pencils. So children, for example, there are 9 pencils, and now we have to share these 9 pencils among 2 children. We have to share these 9 pencils among 2 children. So there are how many pencils are there? 9 pencils. Now we have to share these 9 pencils to 2 children equally. So can we share the 9 pencils to 2 children equally? So let us see. So total there are how many pencils are there? So there are total, so 9 pencils are there. So this is the first pencil and second, and this is the third pencil, and this is the fourth pencil, and fifth one, and sixth pencil, and seventh pencil, and this is eighth pencil, and this is the ninth pencil. So children, so let us take these are the pencils, and how many pencils are there? So there are total 9 pencils. Now we have to share these 9 pencils among 2 children equally. How can you share? So now, so up to 9 we have 4 groups. We have 4 groups of 9 pencils. So children, so let us take, if you share the 9 pencils among 2 children, so you will get 2 groups. So how can you share? So first I will share these 4 pencils to 1 children. So these are the 4 pencils. And I will again share another 4 pencils to another children. So this is the group 1 and this is group 2. And each group has 4 pencils. So there are 4 groups and there is left 1 pencil. So there is left 1 pencil. So how can we share this 1 pencil equally among 2 children? So it is not possible to share this 1 pencil equally among 2 children. So if you add this 1 pencil to the first children, see it will become 5. And if you add this 1 pencil to this children, you will get 5. So now the sharing will not be equal. So that's why it is not possible to share the 1 pencil left here among 2 children. So here the pencil which is left behind is called reminder. So here 1 is called reminder. How many pencils are there remaining? There are remaining 1 pencil. So here this 1 is called reminder. So that means children, we have to share 9 pencils among 2 children means we have to divide. So children, we have to divide 9 by 2. That means 9 divided by 2. So if you divide 9 by 2, so how can we divide this? So in the same way, already we have explained in the previous one. So this is the first number. The first number is called dividend. And this is called the second number. The second number is called divisor. So now arrange these numbers in the division method. So first write the dividend at the middle and next put a bracket at its left side. So what we have to write in the left side bracket? We have to write the divisor in the left side bracket too and draw a line above the dividend. Now same process. So do this division. That means we have to find when did the number 9 comes in the second table. So let us see the second table. That is, if you take 1 time, that is 2 ones are 2. And if you take 2 times, that is 2 twos are 4. And if you take 3 times, that is 2 threes are 6. And if you take 4 times, that is 2 fours are 8. And if you take 5 times, that is 2 fives are 10. And if you take 6 times, 2, 6 are 12. So children, so in this way, we did not get the number 9 in the second table. So there is no 9 in the second table, and we did not get the 9 in the second table. So now we have to, what we have to do? So we have to take the number which is just less than 9. So what is the number which is just less than 9 here? So here 8 is the number just less than 9. So there are so many numbers less than 9, but we have to take the number which is just less than 9. The number which is just less than 9 is 8. So that means we have to take 4 times. 4 times 2. So if you take 4 times, so write this 4 in the quotient above the dividend. And now multiply these two numbers. That is 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. So write 8 under the dividend and subtract these two digits. So if you subtract 8 from 9, how much you will get? So you will get 1. So write 1 here. And children, and we did not get 1 in the second table, and there is no second digit to bring down here, as we have done in the previous problems, that is previous divisions. We have bring down the second digit, but here is only 1 digit, and there is no second digit to bring down. And we did not get the 1 in the second table. Then what we have to do? So then we have to complete the division here only. So that means here 1 is the remainder. So here 1 is called remainder. So children, we understood if you share 9 pencils among 2 children, so we will get 1 as the remainder. That means 1 pencil will be left which did not be shared equally between 2 children. So this is the concept of remainder. So this 1 is called remainder. And what is the quotient here? So here the 4 is called quotient, and that is the answer. So children, so let us practice some problems on this the concept of remainder. Children, so let us do some divisions to understand the concept of remainder. So children, look at the board. So there are given 3 divisions. So in each division we have to find the quotient and the remainder. And write the quotient in the box given and write the remainder in the circle given. So in the box we have to write the quotient and in the circle we have to write the remainder. So let us see the first division. What is the first division here? 26 divided by 5. So 26 divided by 5. So now, so arrange these numbers in the division method. So how we have to arrange these numbers in the division method? Here the first number is dividend and the second number is divisor. So write the dividend at the middle. So that write 26 at the middle. That is the dividend. And write a bracket at its left side. And write the divisor in the left side bracket. What is the divisor here? 5. So write 5 in the left side bracket and draw a line above the division. So now we have to divide the number 26 by 5. That means let us find when did the number 26 comes in the 5th table. So let us see the 5th table. So that is, if you take 1 time, that is 5 ones are 5. And if you take 2 times, that is 5 twos are 10. And now take 3 times, that is 5 threes are 15. And take 4 times. So if you take 4 times, 5 fours are 20. And now take 5 times. So if you take 5 times, you will get 5 fives are 25. And now take 6 times. That is 5 6 are how much children? 30. So children, in this way, if you observe the 5th table, the first number is 5. Second number is 10, third number is 15, fourth number is 20. So in this way, we did not get the number 26 in the 5th table. So if we did not get the number 26 in the 5th table, then what we have to do is, we have to take the number which is just less than 26. So what is the number which is just less than 26? So that is the number before 26. So the number before 26 is 25. So we have to take we have to take the number, that is we have to take the before number for 26. The before number for 26 is 25. So now we have to take how many times? 5 times to get 25. So write 5 in the quotient above the dividend and multiply these two numbers. That is 5 into 5. That is 5 5s are, so how much? 5 5s are 25. And write the product below dividend and subtract. So if you subtract 25 from 26, how can you subtract? So start subtraction from the ones place first. So what are the digits present in the ones place? So 6 and 5. So first to subtract 5 from 6. So if you subtract 5 from 6 means, so take 6 fingers and close 5 fingers. How many fingers are there? 1 finger. So 1. And if you subtract 2 from 2, that is 2 minus 2, 0. That is, so 1 we have. And we did not get 1 in the fifth table. And there is no more digits in the given dividend. So the division has to be completed here. So this 1 is called remainder. So what is the remainder here? 1. So this 1 is called remainder. So this 1 is called remainder. And what is the quotient here? So this is called quotient. So now write the remainder in the circle. Write the quotient in the box. So what is the quotient? 5. So write 5 in the box. And what is the remainder? 1. So 1 in the circle. In the same way, we can do these two divisions. So let us see the second division. That is 11 divided by 2. So first, arrange these two numbers in the division method. That is, write 2 in the left bracket and write the dividend 11 at the middle and draw a line above the dividend. So let us find how many times. That is, when did we get the number 11 in the second table? When did we get the number 11 in the second table? So let us see the table of 2. So if you take 1 time, 2 ones are 2. And if you take 2 times, it is 2 twos are 4. And if you take 3 times, 2 threes are 6. And if you take 4 times, 2 fours are 8. And if you take 5 times, 2 fives are 10. And if you take 6 times, 2 6 are 12. And if you take 7 times, 2 sevens are 14. So in this way, children, if you observe the second table, the first number is 2, second number 4, third number 6, fourth number 8, and fifth number is 10. And we did not get the number 11 in the second table. So if we did not get the number 11 in the table, so just take its before number in the table. So what is its before number in the table? So what is the before number for 11? The before number for 11 is 10. So where is 10 here? So here is 10. So now we have to take this. It means how many times we have to take to get 10? We have to take 5 times. So write 5 in the quotient above the dividend. So now multiply these two numbers. That is 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So write the product below the dividend and subtract. So if you subtract 10 from 11, so take 11 fingers and close 10 fingers. How many fingers will be left there? There will be 1 finger. So the remainder is 1. And the division has to be completed here because we did not get the number 1 in the second table. And there are no more digits in the dividend to bring out. So the division is completed. So here, what is the remainder here? So 1 is the remainder. And what is the quotient here? So here 5 is the quotient. So write the remainder in the circle and write the quotient in the box. So what is the quotient here? 5. And what is the remainder here? 1. So children, in this way, do the third division, that is 15 divided by 4. So first arrange these numbers in the division method. So how can we arrange these numbers? So first write the dividend. What is the dividend here? 15. So write the dividend at the middle. So write 15 at the middle and put a bracket at its left side. And in the left side bracket, we have to write divisor. What is the divisor here? 4. So write 4 in the left side bracket and draw a line above the dividend. Now let us find when did the number 15 comes in the fourth table. So let us see the fourth table. So that is, if you take one time, 4 ones are 4, and if you take 2 times, that is 4 twos are 8, and if you take 3 times, that is 4 threes are 12, and if you take 4 times, that is 4 fours are 16, and if you take 5 times, 4 fives are 20. So children, so in this way, we get the first number 4 in the table, and second number 8, third number 12, fourth number 16, and fifth number 20. But we did not get the number 15 in the fourth table. So what we have to do? So if you did not get the number 15 in the table, so just take its before number. So what is the before number for 15 here? The before number for 15 here is 12. So we have to take before number 15. The before number for 15 is 14, but there is no 14. And before number for 14 is 13, and there is no 13. And the before number for 13 is 12, so there is 12. So take 12. How many times we have to take to get 12? So we have to take 3 times to get 12. Write 3 in the quotient above the dividend. And multiply these two numbers, 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. So write the product 12 below the dividend and subtract. So how can we subtract? So start subtraction from the ones place. So this is ones place, this is the tens place. So first to subtract 2 from 5, that is 5 minus 2. So open 5 fingers and close 2 fingers among 5 fingers. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. So if you subtract 2 from 5, you will get 3. And if you subtract 1 from 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 minus 1, 0. The remainder is 3. And we have to complete this division here because we did not get the number 3 in the fourth table and there are no more digits in the dividend to bring down. So the division has to be completed here. So here 3 is the remainder. So what is the remainder here? So 3 is the remainder. And what is the quotient here? So here 3 is the quotient. So write the quotient in the box and write the remainder in the circle. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is 3. So write 3 in the box. And what is the remainder here? 3 is the remainder. Write remainder in the circle. So children, in this way, we can find the remainder quotient in the given division. And there are some more problems here, and practice those problems at your home. And those problems will be given in your PDF. Practice the remaining problems at your home as a home.